Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to disable snap layouts on Windows 11. So firstly, start settings. Now guys, in this list you have to find out multitasking. Click on it, and here is the first option, snap windows. Snap windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layouts. So just enable or disable by sliding to on or off. And there are some more options you can disable and turn off. So completely you want to disable, so turn off this option, and you want to particular option to disable. So here is the list for snapping. You can disable and turn off any option. So this is the way guys you can disable snap layout in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.